Dear students, as you all know that your unit test is going to start from 24th of this month, and I hope you all are preparing your lessons nicely for unit test 1. Students, from today onwards we are going to start our revision of EVS, and today we are going to revise lesson number 1, changing families, and lesson number 2, senses of touch and smell. Let's start with lesson number 1, changing families. A family is a group of people related to each other. Grandparents, parents, children, and relatives who live together are called family members. Nuclear family consists of father, mother, and children. Joint family consists of grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins, father, mother, and siblings. Our uncles, aunts, and cousins who do not live in the same house as us become a part of our extended family. Family structure changes with time because of marriage, birth of a child, or an adoption. Elders in the family teach us good values and guide us. Parents who take care of children for a short period are called foster parents. Adoption is a process by which parents who did not give birth to a child become its parents. These new parents are called adoptive parents. Now, let's continue with lesson number 2, senses of touch and smell. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are the five sense organs. Our senses help us to understand what is happening around us. Nerves are present in all sense organs and they send messages to the brain, which then tell us to act according to the situation. People who cannot see use braille script to read. People who cannot hear use sign language to communicate. Skin is the largest sense organs. If one sense is not working, the other senses become stronger over time. We should be sensitive towards differently abled people. There are smelling cells present inside the nose. Now these are some question and answer which you have to write in your rough copy. The test is of 20 marks. Students, you have to write the answer of these questions in your rough copy. Question number 1. How can we identify a smell? Question number 2. How do our sense organs help us? Question number 3. Why are families important? Next, what is the difference between adoptive parents and foster parents? Next, what is a good touch? Next, why do parents adopt children? Fill in the blanks. Dash has smelling cells. In human beings, a baby grows inside the mother's dash for dash months. We feel safe as our families dash us. My mother's brother is my dash. Dash parents do not adopt the child, they look after. Cactus has dash which can hurt us. The color of the skin is because of the presence of a pigment called dash. We should never switch on or off a fan with our dash hands. So that's all for today. I will come with revision video of lesson number 3 and 4 very soon. Thank you, students.